I guess, another incremental downside development for Evergrande. What are we expecting in terms of this extension report or extension proposal that's been promised?
Yeah, I think yesterday was really interesting. In fact, the downgrade by Fitch hardly moved the bonds at all. They held up really well. What we really saw push them further was this report from Red that Evergrande is suspending interest payments on loans owed to two banks, and one of these lenders is still awaiting plans for a possible extension. So investors will, of course, be looking for clarity over this. That interest is due on the 21st of September, which is generally when bank loan interest needs to be paid. And this is, of course, really worrying. This is what folks have been worrying about, that there are these sort of potential for missed payments going on that are not happening in the public market, but nonetheless show the kind of depths of stress that Evergrande is currently facing.
Given that we talk about Evergrande every other day or so, Rebecca, just remind our viewers how important this company is when it comes to potential systemic risk for the broader markets.
Well, it really, I mean, I think its importance can't be overstated. It's Asia's biggest issuer of junk debt. It makes up a significant chunk of the indexes for high yield. And so whenever we see these sort of big moves in Evergrande, we also tend to see a group of kind of weaker rated property firms. We tend to see their dollar bonds also fall. But of course, beyond the credit market, we also have to think about this very broad network of suppliers, of contractors, and of banks who also have a financial relationship with Evergrande, who will of course be deeply affected when stress breaks out.